Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn gradient command. So let's start. Make a rectangle, click on Gradient tab. Make sure your fill is active, not stroke. Select liner. By default it's set black and white gradient. You can change the color, just double-click and change it. You can add more colors. Click and drag it with holding Alt key. If you want to remove any color, just click and drag it out from slide. Here you can apply the angle of your gradient. You can control these settings manually also. Pick Gradient tool and apply. This is opacity. Means how much your color will be visible. It's 100%, change it to 50%. Now the color which I picked is now 50% visible. This is location of your color. Move to next. Make a circle and change it to radial. There are predefined gradient, apply them. Let's work on this for understanding how opacity command works. Make two circles and fill them with solid colors. Now notice, because the area which is covered by yellow color is completely solid and I can't see behind the yellow. Now place it here, send it to back. See, red is still visible, although he is behind. Select color and see their opacities. This is 0%, this 65%, and this 96%. Now change their opacity and see results. Select and change it to 80%. Now red color is visible but not completely. Move it and apply other gradient. If you want this orange color left side and yellow color on right side. So flip it from here. Select all and delete them. There are many predefined gradient swatches. Go to Window panel, Swatches Libraries, Gradients. There are couple of gradient swatches. Select wood for now. Draw a rectangle and apply it. You can also edit them. Let's apply gold. Make a circle and apply it. Make a copy and reduce it, and fill it white color. Make a copy and apply silver gradient. We can also apply gradient on strokes. Move them for now. You can also apply gradients on text also. But if you apply direct on text, so it will not work. You have convert it to outline. To do so, go to Type menu and select Convert to Outlines. Now it is no more editable text. Apply gradient. Apply silver also, change the angle to 90 degree. We can apply gradient also on stroke. Reduce stroke weight. There are couple of more swatches, try them with yourself. That's all for gradient. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.